Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all summer diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients followed this type of diet plan and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with summer diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days very easily. First of all, we'll start with the early morning drink, which is diuretic water, something which boosts your metabolism, detoxifies and hydrates you very well. The first option would be to simply consume lukewarm lemon water. All you have to do is simply squeeze one lemon or half a lemon in one glass of lukewarm water and enjoy it sip by sip empty stomach. Now this basically hydrates you very well in the morning itself, helps boost your metabolism and also boost your vitamin C in the morning itself. So do try out this for your early morning drink. Second option would be to consume jeera or cumin seeds water. All you have to do is simply boil 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds in 1 glass of water, let it simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes and consume it empty stomach. It helps to de-bloat you very quickly, majorly helps to detoxify your system and at the same time hydrates you well. So do try out these early morning drink recipes for good weight loss. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for summer weight loss diet plan, the first option would be my personal favorite of all times would be oatmeal with fruits, or you can even have oats with nuts and seeds. All you have to do is simply take 2 tablespoons of oats, roast them for 2 minutes and then add water to it for blending. Once it's all soaked up, all you have to do is then pour some little milk to it. I'm just using 2 tablespoons of milk and not more than that, and you're good to go for your oatmeal. And along with that, you can add to it some fruits of your own choice, some nuts and at the same time some seeds as well, and your oatmeal is ready to consume. Second option would be to consume besan chilla. Now why do we recommend always to have besan chilla for breakfast? Because first, it's low in carbs, second, it's high in protein and also satiates you very well. So you can have 2 besan chillas which is loaded with vegetables into it, like I am doing it here. I'm adding all the bell peppers I can. Along with that, you can add even broccoli, you can add even onion, zucchini as per your own choice, and you're good to go to create a high fiber rich breakfast option for you. Along with that, you can enjoy some mint chutney or coconut chutney as per your own taste. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option for summer weight loss diet plan. The first option would be my personal favorite of all times and works amazingly well for anti-inflammatory benefits as well. Buttermilk or chas. How to prepare it? Simply I'm using here 2 tablespoons of curd, or you can use Greek yogurt as well. Along with that, you can add some fresh mint leaves. Along with that, I'm adding here some roasted jeera powder for taste. No salt to be added to it of any kind at all. Simply add some chilled water to it, blend it out, and your tasty and delicious buttermilk or lassi is prepared at home. Second option is, if you cannot get this, then you can definitely try to have 1 glass of freshly and locally available coconut water. Coconut water hydrates you very well, keeps digestion cool and prevents cravings of any kind. So do try out this for your mid-morning drinks, or you can even have a bowl of watermelon, muskmelon or cucumber as it's readily available in the summer season. So you can try out these recipes for your mid-morning snack. Now let's proceed quickly towards our lunch option. For lunch, I'll be giving you 3 options here, and these options are perfectly well for your weight loss journey to satiate you well and for summer season as well. The first option is my personal favorite of all times, brown rice with dal or rajma plus salad. Now this combination works amazingly well because first, brown rice helps you to choose a lower glycemic index option when it comes to your rice. Second, it helps you de-bloat very quickly and does not contain any kind of excessive weight on the body when you consume rice. And third is, it does not let your blood sugar level spike when you consume it. So definitely try out these options for your rice. And second is, you can have it along with dal, rajma, white chana, black chana as per your own preference, and have it along with good of salad, because salad definitely contains more fiber into it and helps you with removing your constipation of any kind. Second option is, if you cannot have this, then always prefer to have any one multigrain roti, be it bajra, ragi, jawar, jaw, oats, quinoa, whatever you can prepare. Along with that, have again good full bowl of sabzi. Now in summer season comes lots and lots of good vegetables like bhindi, ghiya, torei, karela, all of these. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of sabzi and curd along with that to boost your probiotics as well. Along with that, do not forget to have a good full bowl of salad every single time you have your meal. Third option is for all of those who want a super quick lunch option to carry and cannot prepare all of these in the morning itself to carry with them. The best option would be to simply consume or carry along with you a bowl of salad. Now on my channel, I have lots and lots of summer salad recipes which work amazingly well for weight loss and are tasty as hell. The first option is my personal favorite, chickpea mango salad. Mangoes are now readily available in the season, so you can definitely try out to consume chickpea mango salad. Recipe is on my channel, you can do try it out. Easy to carry, very minimal time to prep it, and very tasty as well. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option for summer weight loss diet plan. Now recently my lots of clients have been asking me to suggest them a snack which is crunchy in nature, low carbs, but at the same time high in protein as well, something they can chew on very quickly. So now I came across this Dr. Erin's diabetic friendly edma beans, also edamame beans. It is a green vegetable variety of soya and it is rich in protein and very low in carbohydrates. Dr. Erin's edamame beans also has 9 essential amino acids and it is a complete protein profile. High protein is required in diabetic patients to prevent muscles wasting. So definitely this snack works amazingly well as it is low in carbohydrates, so it does not spike the blood sugar also whenever you consume it. Dr. Erin's edamame beans has approximately 46 grams of protein per 100 grams of per serving. At the same time, only 10 grams of carbohydrates and 14 grams of fiber. So it's overall good for gut health as well. It comes in 3 flavors: magic masala, cheese and sea salt. So you can have Dr. Erin's edamame beans as a snack while traveling or also as a salad. Now if you want to purchase Dr. Erin's edamame beans, you can simply click on the link given in the description box below and get it online very easily and choose a better and healthy way of snacking. Proceeding towards our dinner options for summer weight loss diet plan, the first option would be my personal and refreshing of all times, grilled broccoli and pineapple. Now basically all I have done here is air fried broccoli and pineapple. You can grill it as well as per your own choice. Now why does this combination work amazingly well is because first, broccoli is high in bioactive compounds which reduce inflammation to a greater level, making it a best combination for anti-inflammatory foods. Second, pineapple, because it's high in vitamin C, great for iron absorption and definitely contains lots of antioxidants in it as well. So do try out this combination for weight loss as it works amazingly well and is very super easy to prepare as well. All you have to do is air fry or grill broccoli and pineapple. I have just simply steamed broccoli first. You can use pinch of drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for good taste and health benefits for air frying or grilling it out, or you can also add some black pepper powder and pinch of salt for taste, and you're good to go for your dinner option for weight loss. Second option for dinner would be you can have 1 or 2 low carb high protein moong dal chila for dinner. Now why do we give this option for dinner is because first, it's very satiating and it's for all of those who want to have a very warm and fulfilling dinner option when it comes to their weight loss. So you can have 2 moong dal chilas. They are very low in carbs, high in protein and works amazingly well for weight loss. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink option which comes post dinner, and it is very mandatory to have it because it helps you to flush out the bad toxins from your body in the early in the morning and also prevents constipation and hydrates you throughout the night. The first option is of course my personal favorite and my clients love having it. If you're suffering from insomnia, not getting good sleep for 8 hours at least and wake up feeling very puffy and very bloated, so this drink works amazingly well, which is chamomile tea. All you have to do is simply boil few tea leaves of chamomile and you're good to go to prepare this healthy and very tasty chamomile tea before going to bed. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can always have ajwain or jeera water. Now this basically helps postpartum weight loss, also helps with removing all the water retention, bloating and swelling when it comes to your weight loss journey. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. And for personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey and get you self-transformed very quickly. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, how my clients reduce weight and weight loss diet plans as well. Do follow me on my Eat More Lose More Tamil channel to get all my videos in Tamil language now. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.